Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's
Sure. Oh, that's a big engine. Engine.
Puffy, black, black, black.
Aaron, is this exciting? Very busy, Mama. Very busy.
Right? Right.
Whoa, cool. Wow, this is going to be a big hit, huh? Tracks.
Up.
There you go.
Yeah.
Aaron, what is that?
Okay.
Chopper.
Is that Chopper?
Open. Yeah.
Oops.
Careful.
Look at all that railroad equipment. That's a lot of items. That's not even the table. Yeah, okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron. Happy birthday to you. You blow it out?
Blow it out.
1, 2, 3.
You did it! Yay!
Now, do you want your cupcake?
Yeah.
That's a lot of chocolate. That's a lot of chocolate.
You like the candle?
Candle.
Yeah.
Case.
You want me to take the wrapper off for you? This is some serious chocolate, buddy. This is more chocolate than you've ever had in your hands at one time. I'm probably have to give you a bath after this. What do you think?
Candle.
Where's the candle too? Candle's got chocolate on it.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Raw. Blue.
You blew it out. You blew it out. We're gonna have a party on Sunday, and then you get to blow it out in front of everybody. It's rich, huh? What you doing?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mama.
Are you fixing stuff?
Mama.
Yes.
I fixed it.
Did you
Mama?
fix it with the power drill?
I fixed it. House.
Aaron?
Button. Button. Button.
You
No.
have to pull the trigger.
Are you ready to give the power tool back to Mama and Abba?
5 more seconds.
1,
2,
3,
4,
4.
5. All done. Thank you. All done there.
That's mine.
I know.
It's mine.
Hey.
Mine.
We Oops. Is your head okay? Watch your head.
I got coffee truck.
There's a whole nother inner track.
Oh gosh. This will hold him open for a while.
I think you're right. Oh no, train went off the track.
Oh.